Hi everyone, super great you all in this pandemic. I have brought easy teaching method of chemical reaction. This is the most fundamental and basic concept of chemistry so that the remaining chemistry become more easy to you all. So let's start the chapter chemical reaction. First let me explain you what you mean by the chemical reaction. How can you identify the chemical reaction? Few reaction we can identify by our eyes, but few reaction we cannot identify by our eyes. In our body, so many chemical reaction taking place, and we are now trying to understand them. So now let's move to the definition of the chemical reaction. So this is the definition of the chemical reaction here. It is a chemical change in which one or more substances are destroyed and one or more new substances are created. Here you can see the identity of substance changed, or you can say formula of substance is changed to something new which is very much different from the original one. See here the formula of water is this. See, decompose into H2 and O2. See here, totally different from the original formula. Original formula we are having water molecule decompose into a H2 and O2 here. So if I take the example of water molecule here, if I heat the water, what will happen? See here, water, now it is in liquid form. If I heat this water, it converted into a vapor. So that can you tell what you mean by vapor? Everyone know that what do you mean by vapor? Everyone know the definition of vapor. Vapor is nothing. It's a gas phase material. In this condition, the water is same as before, or we can say formula of water is same before also and after also. See here, before also same and after also same. Only change in the state we observe here. But formula would be the same. This is called physical change. What will call? Physical change. Physical change. Now come to the example of sugar. Sugar having the formula C12H22O11. If I heat this sugar, what will happen? Sugar converted into a black color substance that is called carbon and vibrate water also. Vibration of water is also. Sugar having chemical formula C12S22O11. After heating, some reaction happen in that sugar is completely converted into new substance. Do you have the formula C12S22O11 after the reaction, after heating? No. We can say no. We don't have the sugar formula. We have just carbon here. This is something new compound which is very much different from sugar here. You can see formula is completely changed so that the sugar is lost its identity. Such change we can see in chemical. So we can say this is the chemical change. What will say? This is the chemical change. This is the difference between physical and chemical sense. So let's see the example of chemical reaction in our day-to-day life. So we know that in our body many chemical reaction taking place 24 into 7. So the best chemical reaction is respiration. Respiration. Respiration is the best chemical reaction. So what do you mean by respiration? Respiration means whatever will inhale the oxygen inside from the nose, and what will happen? Where this oxygen will go inside the body and give out carbon dioxide. What does it about? Give out carbon dioxide. So this is the now next best example, digestion. What will happen in digestion? We will take the food from our mouth, it will go through the esophagus to our stomach and break down into a smaller pieces. After breaking down, nutrients, our nutrition will go inside the body, and rest of the excreta will go to the anus. So this is the example. This is a very easy way we can identify the chemical reaction in our body. So that it is let's meet up in the next video. This is all about the basic concept of the chemistry. So let's rock in chemistry in an easy way. Thank you. Have a nice day.